name is Julie. I am the creator of Treasures Made from Yarn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this circular net ornament. And to get started on this, you are obviously going to need about a 2.6 inch or about 67 millimeter or standard ornament, some yarn that's about a size 4 weight yarn. I think when I did my original blog post, I had used I Love This Yarn from Hobby Lobby, and also I'm using a size F hook. So to start out, we're going to make 12 double crochet at the bottom of this net. So there's several ways you can do that. You can make like a chain of 3 to make a ring, but I am going to use the magic ring. So we're going to start out, I'm going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and then I'm going to make 11 more double crochet into this ring. Alright, so I have my 11 double crochet in the chain 3 that counts as 1, 2, so I have 12. So I'm going to pull my ring shut. And I'm going to join in with the chain 3 to close it up. Now for our next round, we're going to start out by chaining 4. This counts as a double crochet, chain 1. So we're going to double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 1, and we're going to double crochet the next one, chain 1, and we are going to repeat that around, so we have a total of 12 double crochet and chain 1 spaces. Alright, I have my 12 double crochets and chain 1 spaces, and then again we're going to join up with our chain 3, and now we are going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then we are going to double crochet again in our double crochets, chain 2, double crochet in the double crochets, chain 2, and then we're going to repeat that around, doing a double crochet and a double crochet and a chain 2. Okay, I have finished up my double crochet and chain 2s. Again, we're going to join in with, finish up the round, and now we are going to chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That counts as a double crochet and a chain 3. So we're going to do a double crochet, a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in our double crochets, and we're going to repeat that around. We're going to do chain 3 and a double crochet and a double crochet. Okay, I finished up my last double crochet and chain 3. We're going to join up with our previous round, or at the beginning of the round, and we're going to repeat this row one more time. So again, we're going to chain 6, and double crochet. So we're going to repeat this round, like last round, one more time, doing a chain 3 and a double crochet. Okay, also this time I think I'm going to finish off this tail from the beginning, because after this round we're going to start doing decreases and we're going to put our bulb inside our work. So I'll come back, I'll finish up the round, finish off this tail, and I'll show you what we do next after we get back. Okay, I finished up. Let's double crochet and chain 3. We're going to join in. Now we're going to start our decrease round. So we're going to chain 5. Alright, so because now that we're decreasing, we're going to put our bulb inside now and work around the bulb, which could be a little tricky. So I already finished up that tail, okay, because once we put the bulb in, we're going to be able to get it out. We could probably do this next round without putting the bulb in, but we can start showing you that. So now we're pretty much going to repeat the round from 2 rows ago. So we did a chain 3, we did chain 5, which counts, the chain 3 counts as the DC, and a chain 2. And then we're going to start double crocheting. A double crochet, trying to work around the bulb. So like I said, we could probably still do this round if you can without the bulb, but we're going to start working with it. So we're going to chain 2, and double crochet in the next one. So yeah, see, my poor bulb is already falling out. So we're going to repeat this around. Alright, so I finished up this round of double crochets and chain 2, and I haven't joined yet, but I just wanted to show that we could still, if it was a little difficult to work around the bulb, we can still put the bulb back in, but you will definitely need it and work around it for these last 2 rows. So so I guess with the bulb in, which will need to be in there for the finish up last 2 rows, we're going to join. And we're going to chain 4. And that counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. So when you fit the bear, it's a little challenging, but it will be okay. Double crochet and a double crochet, chain 1, and repeat that around. Okay, I finished up the last double crochet, chain 1. We're going to join. This time we're only going to chain 1. And we're going to double crochet in the turning chain. do a double crochet, or single, I'm sorry, we did a single crochet by the turning chain, and then we're going to do a single crochet around every double crochet. So this will be our last round. I did a single crochet in my last one, and we're just going to slip to join. All that's left to do is to finish off the end here, and we can do that by sewing it in around the top. And you can also tighten up the top to make it a more finished look. If you like this video, please give this video a like. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.